Well, you don't have to be in it. I can cut out your face and stuff. This gentleman is based in Orange Walk, and he does his side hustle on the weekend and his day off. He repairs motorcycle. Come check him out. This is the name of the street, right? Is that the name of the street? Okay, and it's directly across from the sporting complex in Orange Walk. Come check him out. What's your name? You want just come and say it.
Larry Magania.
Put in your phone number.
My phone number is 613-924-79.
There you go. Respect. Come check him out. You got Landmark, that building right there, and just look for him right here.